Have you heard about the JA Company program and its international certificate, Entrepreneurial Skills Pass, but still want to learn more about what exactly is it? Follow us and learn about the Entrepreneurial Skills Pass. ESP is an international certificate recognizing real entrepreneurial learning experience, skills and competence development, as well as proving the increased knowledge. So what exactly is Company Program and ESP? School year like no other, an inspiring and exciting journey to discover your entrepreneurial spirit. Students involved in JA Company Program begin with an intense idea generation phase and then work together to turn their idea into reality. So what will this look like? Each group of students form a company and move quickly into the real world of building a business. They are required to find startup capital, develop their business plan and market their idea. For support, student groups are partnered with a teacher and volunteer mentor from the business community. The teacher guides them step by step through the process and the volunteer mentor provides them with professional feedback as they continue to develop their business. As the year comes to a close, students wrap up their companies and take a final ESP exam to certify their business, financial and economic knowledge. The Entrepreneurial Skills Pass shows that students have had real-world business experience. It is a valuable addition to their skills portfolio, online profile or CV. Having an ESP certification unlocks additional opportunities for young people who want to further pursue education, enter the world of work and/or start their own business. Scholarships are also available to allow students to advance their studies, receive advanced professional training and/or attend career insight workshops. For those who want to gain additional work experience, employees offer the possibility of internships, apprenticeships and job opportunities. Students who are ready to start their own company can benefit from mentor support, access to finances and other networking support. Check the official ESP website and see how to apply in your country.